it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing what I would do before I die to get you to think about what you would do before you die.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm, so that way my video can reach more people. So today, I just want to get you thinking about what you would do before you die, because I was watching this movie yesterday, and this kid had cancer, and he ended up dying. I don't know if he graduated high school. I think he may have graduated high school. I can't remember. But he died, and so he discussed how people wait to find out that they're dying before they truly live their lives. And so I just wanted to get you thinking about what you would do before you die, so that way you can do it and not wait to do it. So what I would do before I die is see the world some more. I would go to South America, Europe. I would go visit my brother in Germany. I would go to Jamaica, different countries in Africa. I would just try my best to see the world and just experience as many different cultures as I can. Also, I would want to make sure that I was completely at peace before I die. Skydiving, I think I would want to go bungee jumping. I'm not 100% sure. I feel like I should. I think it'd be fun if I didn't die. I think it would be fun. Riding a hot air balloon, hopefully that's not too bad for the planet. Everything actually that I would want to do is actually really bad for the planet. I'm glad that I'm vegan to like balance it out as much as I can, because flying to different countries, it costs a lot when it comes to the planet. I would want to make a huge impact on the world. I would want to start my own charity. I would want to give as much as possible through my knowledge and through my funds, like my money. I would obviously become rich before I die, because I'm happy, so I'm not trying to get money to make myself happy, but I do know that having money can allow me to do everything that I want to do, and I want to be able to leave money to my loved ones. I would want to buy a house. I would want to live on the beach again for a lot longer. I feel like that's all I would want to do, is just to go on adventures and help as many people as I can before I pass. I feel like that's like the base of it. So what are you gonna do before you die? Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until you find out that you're dying. Don't wait for somebody else to die for you to feel the need to truly live your life. So think about it now. What is it that you would want to do before you die? This woman, Lisa, was discussing how she thinks about her eulogy, and that is something that I've also thought about because I listened to that podcast. And I thought it was very interesting to think about your eulogy. So I also think that you should do that, because that will help you figure out what it is that you would like to do before you die. So think about your eulogy, think about what it is that you want to do before you die, and don't wait to the last minute to act on it. Start as soon as possible. Don't let anything stop you, and do what you have to do, but as like loving and kindly as you can. Don't hurt people to get to the top. I personally don't believe in that. So be kind to everyone, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I upload Monday through Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time, so stay tuned for the recommended videos after, and thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. And if you are looking for one-on-one coaching or group coaching, definitely check the link in the description below. Like I said in the beginning, I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. Let go of those limiting beliefs and really achieve your goals. So check the link in the description below so that way you can book your free connection call with me, and we can discuss where you are now and where you want to be, and if I can help you get there. Again, thank you so much for your support. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.